Okay, good morning,
Okay.
teacher.
Good morning, Rissa. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Oh, I'm okay, ค่ะ Okay.
Oh, nice to hear. Oh, you were busy last time, so we move our call today. Okay, so
Yeah.
how about your Excel one or your plan for today?
Today we have to clean the building because we will have like guests,
Yeah.
right? Come to the school on 11. Yeah. So boss asked us to clean around the building, clean around the area, whatever.
Okay, that's good. So where are
ค่ะ
the guests coming from?
11 teacher or high school section.
I see. Oh, okay, good.
ค่ะ
Yeah. Okay, so have you prepared any vocabulary for today?
Teacher, I didn't have the
Good.
Excel today. Sorry, I,
Okay.
I don't have paper today.
It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so for my part, I'm going to share with you some vocabulary. Okay, I share with
Yeah,
you. Yes.
okay.
Okay, can you see my paper now?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I'm just going to ask some questions about the school. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
what is the name of your school?
สายมิตรศึกษา school
Yeah,
กบินบุรี yeah.
Saimit Suksa. Yes. Okay, and may I know how many population or the population of the students? How many are there?
Right now, I don't know the exactly number, but I think around 1,500.
About 1,500. Oh, this is information
Yeah.
I got from other teachers. Okay. Yeah. So where is your school located at?
กบินบุรี
Okay. Yes. Binburi. Yeah.
mm-hmm.
And can I have some information about your school activities? What activities do you usually prepare?
So about our building or about my work?
School activities like sometimes you have the big activities or small.
Christmas activity.
Yes.
Yeah, and children day.
Yes.
Science fair.
Oh, when do you usually have the science fair?
Oh, I'm not sure. I forgot
Oh yeah,
what
because
is the month.
we changed the calendar this time. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And sport day. Sport day.
Okay, we have here sports day.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay, good. I just found out from other directors that they have also the World Soil Day. Do you know that? World
World
Soil
soy.
Day.
Oh,
Uh,
Din, right?
yes, they related with a king, something like that.
Mm,
Yeah. So
I'm not sure about it.
I got that idea also for like
Mm,
joining that to our school activity also. Okay.
uh-huh.
Have you read any news or any reading for this week?
News about USA
What happened?
from Facebook feeding like news coming up, right?
Yeah. What about?
Uh-huh. Yeah, about whatever problems, curfew, and what they call that thing like
Yeah.
people go to steal whatever.
Robbery?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I have here my 5 words. Actually, I share this with everyone. Okay. So I'm going to share it with you. I have
Yeah.
5. Okay. The first word I have here is about tuition fee. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. The school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee. I don't know that if it is
Mm-hmm.
correct, or I don't know if it is 20% or 40%. Yeah.
20 here.
Okay, 20%. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So my next word is enroll. Okay. So
Yeah.
when the students come to school and register. The school is now open for enrollment. Many students are coming to enroll. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. My next word, announcement. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Many people were surprised by the government's announcement that all schools must be closed. Okay.
So
Yeah,
you know how to write how to type in Thai this one
this one.
การประกาศ
Don't
ส
forget.
มัครเข้า
Oh, I just copy and paste, translate. Yeah. Yes, I'm trying. Okay. Third, supervisor. Okay.
Supervisor.
The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school. Yeah, I don't know if
Mm-hmm.
Somoto or I don't know when they are coming.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I have here the last word, which is cooperate. If
Mm-hmm.
everyone cooperates, the job will finish immediately. Yeah.
Immediately. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I share with you these 5 words, and
Uh-huh.
so you can share me yours next time also.
Okay, okay.
For next plan, actually for this is the third round that we're having the video. Like for us, our video with between you and me, school directors or
Mm-hmm.
leaders. But for the
Mm-hmm.
teachers, okay, that is also their third time. And for next week, I plan that teachers they're going to tour around the classroom. Yeah. For example, like
Mm.
Filipinos, they're going to call the Thai teachers. Maybe Thai teachers, they're going to show their classroom and they're going to talk about like, welcome to my classroom. This is grade.
Oh.
Yeah. So maybe
Uh-uh.
you can give them idea to the Thai teachers so they can like at least practice or they can decorate their classroom. All right, now you're
Yeah.
decorating your classroom, right?
Yeah, now. Yeah, the teacher going up
Oh,
there to decorate the classroom. Right?
good timing. Yeah, and they can like show so other teachers can like see each other or get idea from one another. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the activity for next week. Tour around the classroom and they're going to talk about the subjects they teach and
Uh-huh.
vocabulary still. So they're going to practice their vocabulary again. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we make our talk this time short, so I'm going to call another school again. Unless you have any,
Okay.
do you have any question or any idea?
No, not now, no. I'm okay.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you, Rissa. Bye-bye.
Okay, see you again.
Ka. Ka. Bye-bye. Ka.